Hi, it's Kate here from the Safeguarding Academy and welcome to this week's 5-minute masterclass. This week I want to talk to you about supervision orders. A supervision order is an order made by the court. A local authority has to apply for that order. It isn't something that it can obtain without going to court. It will make an application in exactly the same way it does for a care order, and it also has to demonstrate that, as with a care order, a child's welfare demands that an order is made and that the child is at risk of significant harm to such an extent that an order would be necessary. So what is a supervision order? Well, a supervision order is an order that tells the local authority to advise, assist and befriend the child who is subject to the order. They don't share parental responsibility with parents or any other person who has parental responsibility. Nor can a local authority make decisions for a child because, as I said, they don't have any parental responsibility. A supervision order is there to help the child that's subject to it. That could be in a variety of ways. The ways a child can be helped are through signposting to appropriate advice. It could be through making sure that that child is okay, or by providing assistance to that child that perhaps wouldn't otherwise be available if a local authority wasn't involved. Now, there are very few of those services available, but sometimes where a local authority is involved, a supervision order can assist the family in having help that it would need in order to keep the family together. In a number of cases, a supervision order is used by a court and a local authority to help with issues of contact. Perhaps care proceedings have arisen because parents have separated. There may have been quite an acrimonious split, and the difficulties between parents have got to such an extent that the court was fearful that a child of the family or children of the family were being harmed by the parents' dispute. And in those cases, a supervision order may be necessary in order to help with the contact arrangements from the resident parent to the non-resident parent. It can also help with assessments, and it may also be necessary to look at assistance for the children in terms of support for them through the parents' split. A supervision order is also there at the end of proceedings to offer help to the family. So say there's been an application for a care order at the court from a local authority, and throughout the proceedings parents are working with the family, but perhaps there is a level of support that's going to be needed for a few extra months after the end of proceedings. It may be that a care order just isn't required. It's too onerous. The local authority doesn't need to share parental responsibility, but it does need to remain involved at a higher level than just child in need. And on that basis, it may be that if the appropriate court thresholds are crossed, that a local authority remains involved on the basis of a supervision order to take steps to advise, assist and befriend the child. If you would like any more information in relation to supervision orders, then check out the blog. And if you would like to have regular monthly trainings direct to your inbox, then have a look at the online Safeguarding Academy. Just go to thesafeguardingacademy.com, look under training, and you'll find the link there to the online academy. Until next week, have a great week.